Most tire shop owners think their problem is prices or competition or location. But the real reason profits stay stuck? Your staff aren't selling. Not because they're bad, but because no one showed them how. Stick with this episode, because once you fix this, your revenue can increase without getting a single new customer. Here's the truth. This isn't about turning your team into pushy salespeople. It's about giving them a simple system that works in real life at the counter, with real customers under pressure. And this matters more than you think, because every single customer walking into your shop is already ready to buy something. The only question is, how much? Now, here's where most people mess up. They assume their staff are just not trying hard enough. But look closer. Your team isn't lazy. They're unsure. They don't feel confident suggesting extras. They don't want to look pushy. So they default to the safest option. Customer asks for tires, they sell tires. And that's it. Let me ask you something. How many times today did your team miss an upsell? No alignment, no upgrade, no bundle. That's not just a small miss. That's profit walking out of your door again and again. And when you multiply that across a full day, a full week, a full month, it's huge. But here's something no one talks about. This is not a sales problem. It's a confidence problem. And a system problem. Because if your staff don't know what to say, they won't say anything. So instead of telling them, sell more, you give them structure. Let's break that down. First, give them a simple script. Not something complicated, just a better way to say what they already know. Instead of asking, do you want alignment? Which puts pressure on the customer. They say, we recommend alignment with new tires, it helps them last longer. See the difference? That's not selling, that's advice. And customers trust advice. Now this is where most people mess up again. They leave it up to chance. Different staff say different things. Some say nothing at all. So here's the fix. Use the 3 options method. Every time. Budget, mid-range, premium, no confusion, no pressure. You're not forcing a decision, you're guiding one. And here's the interesting part. Most customers won't pick the cheapest, but they need to see the choice first. Quick question for you. Right now, are your customers even being given options? Or are they just being handed one price and that's it? Now let's move to the next mistake. Trying to fix everything at once. That never works. Instead, set one small daily focus. For example, today, offer alignment on every job. That's it. Not 10 things, not a full training program. Just one clear action. Because small consistency beats big intentions every time. And here's something powerful. Lead by example. Don't just tell your staff what to do, show them. Have them watch you handle a customer. Let them hear the exact words. Because confidence doesn't come from theory. It comes from seeing it done. Now let's address the biggest fear your team has. They don't want to feel pushy. And honestly, that's a good thing. But here's the shift. Offering helpful advice is not being pushy. If a customer buys tires without alignment and those tires wear out faster, did you help them? Or did you just take the easy sale? That mindset change alone can transform how your team behaves. Now imagine this. Same script, same options, same approach. Every single customer. At first, it feels forced. Then it feels normal. Then it becomes automatic. That's when results start to show. More upgrades, more add-ons, more profit without more customers. Let's quickly recap. Your staff aren't the problem. They just lack confidence and structure. Give them simple scripts. Use the 3 options method. Focus on one daily action. Lead by example. And remove the fear of being pushy. Fix what happens at the counter, and everything in your business starts to change. So here's something to think about. What's one small change you can implement tomorrow with your team? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see it. And if you want more straight, practical strategies to grow your tire shop without overcomplicating things, subscribe and stay consistent. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available. TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.